traveling in the shaking bogies, viewing the landscapes and numerous places. Who does not love these exciting train journeys? Today, we are to explore the legacy of the Indian Railways through the Mysore Rail Museum, which is the second museum of its kind after the National Railway Museum of Delhi. It was established in 1979 by the Indian Railways. Various displays highlighting the railway system from the time immemorial welcome us. Meanwhile, if you love watching this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. All museum exhibits are arranged nicely and maintained well. Each thing presented is worth exploring to its fullest. The place has a royal display of Maharani's Salon carriage, a symbol of utmost luxury and grandeur from the past eras. It is the train for the royals to travel, which has unparalleled majesty in them. The coach of this carriage dated back to 1899, but is equipped with all facilities like a kitchen, dining car unit and royal toilet as well. The different things over here provide an impact of standing amidst a railway station, thus relatable to everyone who has travelled in a train at least once. For the visitors to enjoy, a mini toy train operating on battery is present which would take the people a ride around the grounds of the museum. Children would fall in love with this experience. Greenery all around the museum is an additional attraction in that ride. The museum consists of a rich collection of items depicting the different milestones in the evolution of present railways. The captivating exhibit of locomotives is a highlight. Many of these were kept in Mysore Palace and later were shifted to this museum. We get immense opportunities to explore things in detail, which makes this place an interesting one. Have you all spotted the beautiful yellow car? It is another attractive thing in the museum, the Austin railway car. It is a 1925 Austin model which was initially built for the roads and got later converted into a rail car. It is a vintage vehicle with a capacity of 6 people, which was used to take officials for the inspection on tracks. While adoring the world of railway, who would deny having some tea and snacks? For the visitors, here they have a small yet beautiful rail coach cafe to relax. Museum holds a collection of many rare exhibits, taking us to those eras gone by. The very first steam engine to be built in India and signals are also exhibited. Visitors have a lot more to explore, from lights, tickets, ticketing machines, signal signs and clocks. All represent the development phases of Indian Railway. The Chamundi Gallery is the most area covered in the museum. It has an extensive range of pictures and paintings on the systematic growth of the railway. The museum timings are from 10 am to 5:30 pm on all days except Tuesdays. The place is located 3 kilometers away from the city center. This is an apt place for family visits as children would love this place for sure.